Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to log Stripe payments automatically in Google Sheets for subscription-based business. For example, you are running any subscription-based business in where you got many transactions from your users and you want to store their payment details into your Google Sheet. So for automate this entire process, I am going to connect my Stripe to my Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So if you want to see the working of this amazing automation, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating an automation in where we can connect our Stripe to the Google Sheet for storing the user details when they have purchased subscription from your online Stripe store, then automatically all their leads will be added into your Google Sheet. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how it will be used in real time. For that, I am purchasing this Pabbly Connect subscription that I have already added into my Stripe account. After that, for purchasing this subscription, here it will ask me to provide my contact details in where at first I am going to write the email as pateam@pabblytudes.com. After that, one test number, then the payment method I select as card. Here I am doing the test payment. After that, the name I provide as test user. Then the address I'll give as B101 New City. After that, now I am going to click on this pay button. It is processing. Here you can see my payment is done successfully. Now I'll check my Google Sheet. Here I also got the entry of the response that I shared while purchasing the subscription. That the name I'll provide as test user, email address. It will automatically also store the amount, after that the payment method and the status. This will help you to capture your user information as whenever they've done any successful payment into your Stripe store of any type of subscription, then automatically their provided information will be added into your Google Sheet as a new row. So if you want to do this amazing automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple apps without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing the similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating an automation, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can add and manage all of your workflows in one place. While in this folder section, you can create multiple folders, and in this home section, you can see the status of your workflow. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. It will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of this, so I am selecting this. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the name to my workflow. So here I am writing the name. Here I write that is log Stripe payment automatically in Google Sheet for subscription based business. After that, you have to select the folder from here that I select as Pabbly Connect. I already created this folder before. After that, you have to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of creating any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen, and it is the first step of creating your workflow, as whenever any successful payment of any subscription can be done from my online Stripe store, then automatically all their leads will be added into my Google Sheet. For that, I am selecting the trigger application as Stripe. So here I am searching the app. Here I selected. After that, you have to select the app event that I select as new charge. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me one webhook URL that I am going to copy this from here. While in the below, you can see all the steps of how you can connect your Stripe account to your Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to my Stripe account. So this is the home page of my Stripe account. Now for connecting my Stripe account to my Pabbly Connect, I am clicking on this developer option and go in this webhook option. This is where you can add your webhook so that your Stripe account can be connected to your Pabbly Connect. Now for proceeding, I am clicking on this plus add destination button. Here you can see it will ask you to select the events that I select as your account. After that, the API version I select as latest version. Then in this you have to select the event that I select as charge succeed. This is also mentioned in the step, that is this, that from the select events drop down, choose charge succeeded. So here I am selecting this. Here I selected. After that I am going to click on this continue button. Then you can see it will provide you two destination type option, that is webhook endpoint or Amazon event bridge. Here I am going with webhook endpoint. After that the continue option. Then you can see it will ask you to paste the webhook URL. So here I am pasting this webhook URL. Here I copy it. After that I paste that URL here. If you want to enter the description, then you can write in this box. Now I am clicking on this create destination button. Here you can see my webhook is successfully added into my Stripe account. Now we will get back to our flow where you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this response, again we have to make the purchase. Now I am again going to my dashboard of Stripe, in where I am going in this payment link option, where I am going to purchase this Pabbly Connect subscription. Here I am copying this URL. After that I am searching this URL in a new tab. So here I am adding all the test contact details. Here I added. After that I am going to click on this pay button. It is processing. See, our payment is done successfully. Now we will get back to our flow. Here we have got the response 4 seconds ago. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Stripe. After that, in the next step, I am going to add the number formatter. For that, I am clicking on this and choose the action app as number formatter. After that, the app event I select as perform math operation. Here I am using the number formatter because I want to store the actual value of the subscription plan. For that, I use this. Now I am clicking on this connect option. Here you can see it will provide me one field by the name of number, where I am going to do the mapping of the amount that I have got from my Stripe payment. Here you can see the Stripe is captured amount without adding any decimal. That is the main reason why I use this number formatter here. It will also provide you one instruction that how you can use this, that enter the number here. You can enter the comma separated values to perform the operation. Example 100, 200 for 100 plus 200. So here I want to store the actual amount of my subscription. For that I am entering the comma, after that 100. This amount will divide by 100. Then the operation I select as divide. After that I am going to click on the save and send test request button. That means our number formatter is working correctly. Now after this step I want to add my Google Sheet. For that I am again clicking on this plus option and search the app as Google Sheet. Here I select the app. After that I am going to select the app event as add new row. After that I am clicking on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have an existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google to access your Google Sheet into your Pabbly Connect. Here I already have an existing connection, so I am clicking on this. After that I am clicking on the save button. Here you can see the connection is saved successfully. Now here I am going to select the spreadsheet that I have already created before by the name of Pabbly Connect subscription user details. This sheet is this. Now as soon as we have select the spreadsheet, then it will automatically provide the fields, that is name, email, amount, payment method and the status that we have mentioned in the Google Sheet. Now I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have got into my trigger application, that is Stripe. For that I am clicking on this and searching the name. Here I am selecting this. Mapping is the most important step in the automation because it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for storing and capturing their dynamic data, mapping is used. After that for the email also. Then the amount. In the amount case, I am doing the mapping from the response by the number formatter, not the Stripe, because Stripe has captured the amount without including decimals. That's why the mapping of amount I am doing by the number formatter. Here I have done. After that in this payment method also, I am doing the mapping of the payment method. Here I have done, that is card. After that the status. Here I mapped all the details with the help help of this, whenever any new purchase can be done into my Stripe store of any subscription, then automatically all the details that the user will provide, that is their name, email, amount, payment and the status, will be added into my Google Sheet as a new row. Now I am going to click on the save and send test request button to check this. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our sheet. See, a new row is added into our Google Sheet. That means our automation is working perfectly. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will always enabled. If you also want to do this amazing automation, then I'll provide the link of this automation in the description box. You can check out. Now this automation will help you to store your user data without any manual efforts. As soon as whenever any subscription can be purchased from your online store, then automatically all the leads of your users will be added into your Google Sheet. And the best part is this automation is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.